Okay, now I'm going to put this bulb back into this neon sign that's in a can. I'm going to carefully undo this thing, which I just had in place to hold the wire from slipping back in. And I'm going to do a real good job twisting the wires from the electrode on real tight to the wire, the GTO high voltage wire that's in the sign. I'm going to get some good twists so there's really good contact and so that it doesn't slip off. Here's that electrode cap from before, and I'm just going to slip her right back on like that. So now the electrode is covering that wire, the electrode cap's covering that wire, and I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to try and hold the electrode cap and the wire so that it doesn't slip in. And I'm really going to give some good twists over here from the wires that are coming out of the neon bulb to the GTO wire that's in the sign. That's pretty good. Now I'm going to take the electrode cap and try, without breaking the bulb, to slip it back on. And now the electrode cap is back on real nice. I'm going to click this in. And turn it on. Thank you for visiting with us today.